Alright, Lawn Monster, sorry I had to cut you short, but I'll redo this one so I can show the Spencer Lawn Care, my trailer and my tractor. I've got let's see if I can, yeah, there we go, that's good. Do my tractor and my lawn kit, my lawn track, my trailer. This is my short haul, my short around the town landscaping trailer with the cone and my garbage bucket and rake and stake and the snowblower's poker. Let's see if we can show you the flip edge there, Miss Trimmer Queen. We'll show you the flip edging. Okay, over there. Don't do flip edging on the other side of the road, but I messed up this part here somewhat, but not much. I hope you'll like it. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me what you think. TQ and Sean.